Hello everyone, working right now on this Frigidaire controller. I'll try to do it as fast as I can. Last time I said it took me a little while. But let's see what I can do. So I got all the parts, which is perfect. Let me start removing all the components, then install them back. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. Okay, let's start with the easy one, which is the this resistor. Actually, I don't know where should I start. Yeah, let's do the resistor first. It's gonna be an easy. Maybe I will do the resistor and go one by one just to, yeah, see the spot is out. That's gonna be nice. We'll have to somehow adjust it. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let's do it. So as I go, I'm gonna take one part and install it. I'm gonna go one by one. Let me just see where is my soldering wick. I think I have to buy more supplies. Okay. One. Two. Yeah. That one good. So the red, it's hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this resistor. I have another one here. The red line should be at the bottom and the brown one is on top. So just gonna take this out. So I'm gonna go one by one and just take it out, install, take it out, install. See, maybe it's gonna make things faster. Okay, so let's do this. Perfect. Now I'm gonna install it and cut the legs and move to the next one. Okay, where's my... Okay, this is done. That's all brand new. Let me cut this really quick so it will not bother me. One, two. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's put this terminal. Where is it? I hope I didn't lose it. Should be here. I saw it. There we go. It's just from the end there. I don't know why I picked such a big bag, but here's the terminal. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean it nicely, prepare it, and solder it quick. So it's gonna be only 2 points. Should be all good to go. Okay, let me just move it to the side. And this is all nice. Okay, perfect. Now let's do this. Okay. You know what? This is a little bit different terminal. Ooh, I thought it would be a quick one, but let me just see if I have another board like this that I can use for terminals. Those terminals are a little bit longer than expected. Well, worst case I'll have to cut down the terminal and it should be all good to go. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I really don't have much time, because I have my goal is to fix 2 more boards today, and then I have more work to do. So okay, that's gonna be interesting, see if I succeed. So as you can see, this terminal is just a bit higher. My goal is to, but otherwise it's all the same, so I'm gonna cut it. So the way I do it, I'm gonna hold it. Let me just put this back in on this leg. Okay. Yeah, it's a little challenging, and you can't really hold it because it's gonna be very... Okay, let's do it. It's gonna be an awkward situation when my hands will be so hot, my finger. I don't like doing that, but it's gonna get really hot. Okay, let's see if I can make a little connection. Okay, I think no, it's not that easy. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, I didn't burn my fingers, so that's awesome. Let's do this on this side. I just wanted to kind of lock it in place. That's all what I wanted. Now I'll put more flux and more solder. Oh no, came out. Ah, and it's hot. Now I burn myself. Okay, and that's suck. Yeah, I think it's in place, but I don't like the way it is, because the pod is moving and came out loose. Okay, let's see if I can. It's really hard to hold it at the same time, not to burn yourself. Okay, let's see if I can make it work. It's not easy when you have those little terminals loose. Let me see what I can do here. See, it's not always easy to do this kind of jobs, especially if you have only 2 hands. I wish if I had another hand. That would be nice. Okay. So I burned myself once already, and it's still not in place. Let me stop the video and I'm going to... Okay, I was able to get it done. Now hopefully I just need to cut this line. Yeah, it's I'll tell the customer to be careful, because it's in place, there's contact, but you really have to be careful, because it might break when you do that. I really don't want to break anything, because everything is so fragile. I think it should fit. I just have to make 2 more contacts here. I just realized that there's no solder here. Yeah, I'll shave it on both sides. I think it should fit. I hope it's not thicker, but I have the tool to cut and trim it on the sides. Okay, let's move forward. Let's move forward. Those 2 relays, 6 legs. That's the white relays, and I'm gonna remove them right away. So we have 1, 2. Actually, I solder it, but I actually have to remove. Two relays, so it's not too bad. Okay, hopefully I can remove those relays now. Let's see. Okay, this one came out. Oh, look at this. That's pretty bad. This is for your bake. That's the bed leg. See, it's still moving a bit, but should be okay. Oh, wow. This one, I think I might keep it. I will check if this relay is good or not. Now I'm just gonna put those two back in. I burned myself a bit. I always burn myself. I really don't like the way this spot is. There's probably a way to make it sit a little bit better. I'll check, we'll see if I can find something. I'm just putting all the solder on all the legs. This one. I think I like this one better. It's thicker. Yeah, it looks good. It looks very good. Flux really helps. Let's see if I can press the spot a bit more in. I really want to kind of make it flat so it will not move. See, it's still moving, but much better, much better. Much better, much better. Let's see. It's really hard to do it with one hand. I'm just trying to make it so it's all nice and solid, you know. I want it to be very solid joint. Yeah, that's a good joint. Yeah. Okay, all those ones are good. And this is a good joint. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to shave from each side with my rotary tool. I'll make it, it's a little lower, but it should reach the component, the terminal. Let me just see if I have this, probably with this should work. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that on this side is a little tricky. I don't want to touch the relay. I think that should be okay. I think it should work. Yeah, it's just a little bit shorter, but maybe I should lower the leg here. Guys, so this is the end product. I replaced those two relays, this guy, this relay, this transistor, oh sorry, this resistor, and this terminal. And I made a little adjustment on the terminal. It's a little lower, but it should reach contact. The contact, I think it's those four pins, and it should reach no problem. And I also made sure it's all aligned. So this is the board, it's all completed, it's repaired. I couldn't find the original terminal for this one, so therefore I just installed my own and I did some adjustment. It should work. I'll give it to the customer for testing and it should be all good to go. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Take care.